Welcome back users. So we will continue with the Nix manager and the Nix environment. So we will now see how to upgrade the system. So last time also we have seen how to upgrade the system. So let us first try to do the upgrade of the system. That is the Nix environment will get upgraded. So we have done the system upgrade. Now we will try to upgrade the Nix environment. So for that Nix dash env, that is the Nix environment dash dash upgrade. So this will upgrade the Nix environment. So there is some name collision in the Nix input expressions. So the input Nix expression skipping home Sam Nix. What was that? Nix defects PR channels root NixOS. Okay, so there is a issue. What we will do is we will stop the upgrade. Now let us try to uninstall some of the app. For example, this is the command syntax for uninstalling an application. So let us try to do an uninstall of any application. For example, let us uninstall printer, manage printing, or we can uninstall the text editor, or we can uninstall the tool, anything. We can, let us go for the uninstall of cheese. So what we will do is nix env dash dash uninstall cheese. Let us try to do. So there is no selector cheese matching, no installed derivations. So let us check, or we can have the installation also. So instead of that, let us try to install first an application. Say we can install VLC. Okay, so there is a issue. What we can do is let us go back here. No, not this. We had added one of the, for example, we added this channel yesterday. So maybe because the channel names, two channel names are there, so we will have to do a Nix channel update first. Nix channel, let us see what happens. Okay, so the channels have been now unpacked. Now what we will do is let us try to add package. So this is the command to add package, so that install will not work. So I have found it out. So now you have to, okay, so it is not that way working. Nix and okay, Nix packages dot subversion. Okay, so I have to Nix environment IA package. Okay, Nix package env IA capital, then Nix packages, Nix pkgs, Nix packages dot subversion. So I have to write VLC here. Let us see if the VLC is there. Yes, you can see here Now it is getting installed. So we are able to install package VLC. So this is how it works. Though there is a collision, we are successful in installing the VLC package. It is nothing but the VLC media player. Now what we will do is we will just go back and see whether the VLC is there. Yes, the VLC media player has been installed successfully. Just opening it up so you can take a look. Yes, so you can see here the VLC media player is there, and we can see the version 3.0.18 veterinary. So we are successful in installing an application. Now we will go back here. Now how to remove a package. So Nix, so instead of IA you have to use Nix environment dash E subversion. So you have to type the name of the package instead of the subversion. So we will try this out also. So Nix env env evlc, enter. So it is uninstalling the VLC media player. Now we go back and check out. So VLC has been removed. So that's it. So we have seen how to install and uninstall a package from NixOS. So we can now upgrade all packages for which there are new versions using this command nix env dash env space dash u. So we will try this command also. So we will go back nix env dash env dash space dash u. So that will upgrade all the packages that have an upgrade waiting. So we just wait. It will now search for the upgrades that are available for the individual packages, and it will then install, download and install all those upgrades. So while it is working, what we will do is I will go back here. And suppose if you are not sure what the command will do, you can do a dry run. So for example, if I type nix dash env dash u space dash dash dr dry dash run, so what it will do, it will show you all the upgrades that are available for the different packages. So you need not commit for the upgrade or update. You can just check out which upgrades or update are available for the packages. If you then take a decision to install those upgrades or updates, then you can use the nix dash env space underscore u. Otherwise you can do a dry run like here, shown here. So let us see what has happened. So I think it is checking for the updates or upgrades. So let it finish. So I think it will take some time. Yes, it has got killed. So I will have to remove the prefix NixOS from either of the root channel or the user channel. So how to do that? We'll have to go back here. Single environment variables, reading Nix package management. Okay. Yes. So we can go in channels. How to remove a channel. Now let us use this Nix channel. Let us see what happens if we use the Nix channel. Let us see what happens. Okay, so there is nothing. Okay, so what we do is we will run the command again and use a help. Okay, you can revert to the channel rollback. Okay, so you can add remove. Okay, so what we will do is we will quit this. Now we will list. So it is showing us Now what we will do is we will do a remove, dash dash remove Nix packages pkgs https nixos.org channels nix pkgs dash dash unstable. So let us see what happens. So here it is the remove name. So you can remove the name of the channel. Subscribe channel. Okay. Okay. We will do it again. We will go. Okay. You will use this to check out the channels. We will open the browser here. Filled with exit code. Okay. Okay, so I think we will go here and search for all the Nix channels that are available. NixOS.channels, NixOS.org channels. So these are the channels, and we are, I think, rightly subscribed to the right channel. Are small, small. It is all small. 20 point channel we are subscribed to. Let us check. We are subscribed to channel 22.04. NixOS.org channels Nix pkgs unstable. Let us try to install this channel. Okay, so it is not possible. Okay, so it is not working. Okay, so we can go and we can open the folder. Let us try to do like that. Let's go on the folder, go to the store. Let us see what is there in the store. Nix store, user. This is the Nix environment. Where will be the config files? It should be there in etc folder only. Let us try to find Nix here. Yes, Nix is there. Nix configuration, Nix. Nix channels. Not here. Yes, maybe the Nix environment will have this configuration. What I will do is I will let us add the channel again, and now we will list it. Okay, so now what I will do is, now let us try to remove it. Again, if there is a issue. Why it is not okay? Now let us do a update. There is some response body. So I think this channel has been already removed. You can see here home SAM https NixOS org channels Nix package no such file or directory. So what we will do is let us open the home SAM. Let us go over, open the home, then you have to open SAM. Yes, this is the Nix channels. Okay, so what we will do is, so here you can see the Nix packaging stable channel has now been added, and the old unstable channel has already been removed. That's why we are getting this message that it is unable to find it in the Nix package file. So the repo has been already updated, so unstable is not there. So that's it. Now our this search has been validated, and our work has been validated. So the unstable channel has already been removed. So when we added the NixOS 22.05 channel, it automatically removed the NixOS unstable channel. So the unstable channel has been removed. So that's very good. Now we can go and do the further operations on the Nix environment and the Nix this package manager. So I will close this. So always remember the Nix channel configuration is available in the Nix home directory. In the home directory, the user directory, you have to go here and show hidden files, and you will see the Nix channel. So you can directly edit this just like we do in Debian or any other operating system. You can directly add the repos or the channels, or remove repos and channels from here also directly by opening the file in editor. So now what I will do is let us close this. We will even close this. Yes, we will close the file manager. Now let us go back here. Now what I wanted to show you, I think we have done all these things. Now let us go over. Let us check out. These are some method to update the Nix. So multi-user Nix OS on Mac OS can upgrade Nix by running this command sudo -i sh-c Nix channel -update and Nix environment -i Nix packages.nix and launch control remove org.nixos .nix -daemon and launch control load /library/launch daemon /org.nixos.nix -daemon.plist. And single user installations of Nix should use Nix channel update Nix-env -ia Nix packages Nix packages.cacr. So this is the CA certificate. So the CA certificates for the Nix channel will be also downloaded and installed along with the Nix channel. And multi-users can also do a similar work, and then you have to restart the Nix daemon. Yes, we were here. Now let us try to do the garbage collection. Let us try to do it. Yes, before that, I think we have to check out the available packages in Nix packages. For that, you have to use this command nix -env -qa capital P. So we will try this command nix env -qa and capital P. So it is keeping this some Nix -defects PR channel. Okay. So this is again not working fine. Now we can do this command. Let us see if this works. Wait for that command to get over, and then only we will proceed ahead. Let us see if this works or not. Check. Okay, so the command dot killed. Now what we will do is we will use it to show the status for one of the applications, that is Firefox. So it will show all the packages available for the Firefox. So again, this is the same issue is there. Maybe we have done something we have done wrong. So this NixOS is also new for me. I am using it for the first time. I am directly doing the video for you. So this is how when you will do it for the first time, you will also face similar difficulties. So I am trying to show how the end user will face the difficulties, but you have to carry on. You have to repair your mistakes, learn from your mistakes. So now what I will do is, now let us go ahead. Now let us here seen how to upgrade, how to install, uninstall a package. Now let us try to do a Nix garbage collection. So it will collect all the garbage. So Nix collect garbage. So exactly what it will do is, I will show you just in a moment. If you learnt about the garbage collection, memory garbage collection in university, you will understand. So it will check out and find all the temporary files in the Nix environment. So all the packages, the temporary files are there when it is unzipped and then installed or built on your system. So all those things it will delete. So you can see the earlier upgrade that was downloaded, everything will be deleted. So you can see some drivers are getting deleted. For example, this activation driver, applet driver, accounts driver, all the drivers and everything, all those unzip files that are of no use now are getting deleted. This is how you have to do a manual garbage collection, memory garbage collection, and free memory for your system. So while it is completing, now let us go back here. So we have seen the installation. I will not go do it again. We also seen how to rebuild the NixOS switch. So we can switch from one channel to another channel and then rebuild the NixOS. So it will rebuild the repos and everything, and then it will point to the latest repos or the latest channel to which the user is subscribed, and then later on, from all the later updates and upgrades will be done from the channel that is the that we are now pointing to. And we can also roll back. So what we will do is, I will try to show you how to do the rollback also. So after this, yes, it is this garbage collection is done. So you can see after deleting the Nix links, so there are system links between the downloaded files, folders, and all those things. Those are deleted. The links are also deleted, and hard linking is also redone. It is refreshed. You can see a 6505 store paths were deleted. So this many files were deleted, and 4952.34 MB has been freed. So almost 4 GB has been freed up. Now what we can do is, let us try to do a rollback. So Nix environment rollback. So this will be the, I think, last video. Yes, most probably it should be the last video. So anything is to be seen. But it is a fantastic system, I can tell you. It is not like any other system. It is best. I have now developed a love for NixOS. So now let us go over and do the Nix rollback. So Nix dash env dash dash rollback. Okay, so it's very easy to remember the command Nix env dash dash rollback. So it will roll back the system. So let us see, switching the profile from version 3 to 2. So it is switching the profiles, and once it is done, we will wait. I think something is going on or what. Once it is done, we will just restart the system and see what has happened. So we will check out the channels, whether the channel has rolled back to the unstable branch or not. I think it is okay. So it has, I think, done. So what I will do is, I will close this. Let us do a reboot of the system. Let us see what happens. Now let us check the configuration. So here you can see the no, it is also the old configuration, that is 23.1.23. So that is old configuration. This was the configuration that when we had changed the channel to 22.04. So of course we will not go through this. We will go with the, maybe we can go with default. Let us see what happens. Or we go with this configuration. No, let us go with default. Let us see what happens. Let us see how the system works and gives responses to your commands in the terminal. So you see, it has not changed the version. So now we are still, I think, connected with the NixOS 22.04 channel. Let us see what happens. So rollback will not change the channel. So channel can be done only either manually or through the command line. So let me check. Okay. So this is the default configuration that here we are logging in. Let us see what changes are being done to the system. Now we move over. Now open this in the editor. So here you can see it has not changed the channel. So the stable channel and the 22.04 channel is still subscribed. It is a 64-bit channel, x64-bit channel. So now let me go over to the settings. Where is the settings? Yes, let us check out the about section. So here you can see the build is same. OS is 64-bit, GNOME version is 42.2. So what I will do is, now let us restart the system again, and we will now log in into the new configuration that was created earlier. So here go in all configuration. This is configuration 1. So you select that. Check out the session. Okay. So Wayland is okay. We were in Wayland since the beginning of this series of videos. Now we will go just like we did earlier. We will check out the Nix channels. So here you can see it is still pointing to the stable channel NixOS 22.05 and the Nix stable packages. So I will close this. Now let us head over to the about section. Let us see what changes are there in the system. So in the about section you can see the build is 22.05.4093. So it is same. GNOME version is also same, same virtualization, same windowing system. So there is no change here. And exactly what rollback? I think the rollback happened for the packages. The packages must have changed the versions. Otherwise, the system is still on the GNOME 42.2 and the NixOS 22.05, and the stable Nix package channel has been chosen. So we have not changed the channels, or the NixOS version has not changed. Only I think some package versions might have changed during the rollback. So with this, I will stop the video here. See you in the next video. Bye.